And we're done. This is the final look. Hope you all hope you all what?
Blah, 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 blah.
Hope you all just subscribe and make me a millionaire. Cut that out.
once again, love. Yeah, we said some things we didn't mean, hun. I always start the fight and you put the fire out. I always say too much and I get jealous. I never hear you out and that is selfish. I always start the fight and you put the fire out. I'm sorry for the way we left things, I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war, I'm still learning how to talk about my feelings. You know it gets hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to give my all to you. If you give me one more try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure if you give me one to try, I might just realize that it will always be us two. Always keep my guard up and I'm sorry. I built my walls so high you couldn't climb them, but you're not the one to blame. I know this is all on me. I'm sorry for the way we left things. I know you're hurting. I didn't mean to start a war. I'm still learning how to talk about my feelings. You know it gets hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time.
And this is the final look. Hope you all enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments below if you like blue on me, what other colors you want to see, and let me know if you all are enjoying this makeup therapy series. This look, by the way, was inspired by Bailey Sarian. I am going to be linking her YouTube channel in the description. Go check out. She does true crime and makeup, some really fun videos, but really awesome looks as well. So thank you all for watching. Hope to see you all in the next one.